Welcome to Black Diesel Garage, and in this video we're gonna go rescue White Lightning, my white crew cab that I wrecked while towing this. I went too far on the shoulder and wrecked both trucks into each other with a tow bar. Crunched the back corner of this one, crunched the front of White Lightning a little bit, messed up the tow bar, messed up the hitch. So I need to clean stuff out of the bed. I got another tow bar already, and my plan is to load up a welder, go weld a piece of bar across the frame, and either weld or bolt the tow bar to that piece of bar and hook to it and bring it home. Truck's about 2.5 hours away, so I'm gonna load everything up and get to going to rescue that. Well, let's get into it. Alright, so we're all loaded up, ready to go. Maddie's gonna drive, starting out, because I've been doing a lot of driving. We loaded up my father-in-law's welder and got a ramp to try to slide the welder on the bed. We got 2 tow bars, a chain, some welding rods, a couple pieces of metal down in here, torch set. We're ready to go. Bumper's fixed. It was hanging down. It just had 2 bolts and some welds on it that were busted, so I welded over them. And we're ready to go. Alright, so we're here at where I wrecked the other night, and got the crew cab here. I'm gonna have to weld some stuff on the front to make up a hitch so we can take it out of here. It's windy, we're gonna be making sparks, there's a lot of grass that can be burnt, so I don't know yet if this is what we'll do, but the truck's back over there, the tan truck. I think we're gonna drive that down here, hook up to this, and pull it down the ditch until we find some greener grass, or more greener grass, less brown grass, so we can weld over that stuff. Because it's pretty windy and there's dry grass around and don't want to set a fire. hitch welded on. It's all buttoned up. Our wiring was still good, so we hooked that up. And we used to come along, and someone happened to stop by and help us, which was really nice, and we got the welder up on the bed. So we're gonna go head home now. 2.5 hours to go. I do not know what time it is, but we're going. Well, we made it about 30 minutes from home. Truck's still doing good. Truck on the back still attached. Everything's holding together. Even the bumper, and I had trouble with the bumper swinging down. It just had that one bolt and some boogered welds that were broken. So I welded boogered welds together. So it's kind of junk, but it held surprisingly. Almost there, about 30 minutes left. What do you think, Drew? Around 8:30, made it back last night. Everything went smooth, towing it back. Here's the two trucks in the daylight. I'll show you a little bit of what happened. So here's the damage to this truck. I did have to pull that out a little bit and throw a taillight in it. Really not too awful bad. And then it did push the mirror in. There's still a slight dent there, not bad at all. And then this truck, this already had like all that denting up there and the denting down the door. But it did crumple this corner, crunch that in, and I think the hood's perfectly fine. It's just up because the grill's messed up. So that happened there. This tire appears to be fine, but this tire sticks out further than the bed. So that tire rubbed on the front of this truck here and put a little black mark. But other than that, nothing really that bad happened, other than the welder falling off and getting obliterated. Crossbar and hitch we welded on. It all worked out fine. Here's half the junk that got scattered all over the road. And that Miller 200 EL or whatever it is got obliterated. There's probably not anything good about that anymore. Like the armature is all cracked up, the outside of the armature. The casing's bent for the motor, it's missing fins. There's a snap spark plug with a gone wire. Carburetor snapped and gone. Maybe some controller, I have no idea what that is. Exhaust pulled out. Control's a little busted up and gone. So, dirt in the air breather. There's part of the armature broken. So that thing is just total junk. But hopefully I have all the parts for the turbo kit and motor parts here. I may not, who knows. But that's pretty much all that happened to this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you guys for all the supports, all the commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing. We greatly appreciate that. So thank you guys. And now I need to pull a lot of parts off this one, swap to that truck. So we'll make another video on that, and we'll catch you on the next one, Black Diesel Garage. See you guys.